Heading 095, clear for the ILS approach, runway 05 right, over to Mike.
Just walk up for surge on the reload zone 50 roll for the admin. Sierra departure squawk 0544 with no slot. 5 left, now 118 1630, contact 1 double.
Hello, so it's to Mike, service on the ILS runway 05 right. Mike, understand, 05 right. At the approach, so 05 right, so it's to Mike. 76 X-ray, taxi Delta 01, hold short runway 05 right. Right, taxi Delta 01, hold short 05 left, 76 X-ray. Right, 2 Mike, runway 05 right, clear to land with 140 at 4. 05 right, clear to land, so it's to Mike.
Suncat 1 Bravo November's with you, just off 5 left and hold Delta 6. Suncat 1 Bravo November goes, good morning, Katusha, head to Delta 3. 3, hold Suncat 1 Bravo November. Cover 2 Charlie Juliet, just give way to the light jets ahead there, and then continue Delta 1.
Have traffic inside, give way, set mark to Charlie Juliet.
Suncat 1 Bravo November, next left 5 Charlie and Alpha, departure signature. Hey Alpha, and signature Suncat 1 Bravo November.
6231 for taxi.
Short 6231, 1 for dash 8 late, taxi forward direct to 180, route via Juliet, Foxtrot, Bravo, hold point Bravo 4.
Hey, 1 for dash 8 is here, 180, Bravo and hold Bravo 4, Starbard 6231. Roger, Delta Zulu, put across 5 left, hold at Delta 2, Virgin 76 X-ray.
Under 9 Juliet Whiskey, reduce speed now 220 knots for left, turn right heading at 320 degrees base left.
Atlantic Whiskey, Atlantic Whiskey, 220, all right.
Delivery, good morning, EC 78 November Foxtrot, stand 10, information, Mike 1013, returning to Belfast. Just 046, Delta, delivery 11, to Belfast City South, with 1 Sierra departure, squawk 1460 with no slot. DG 78 November Foxtrot, to be cleared to Belfast Aldergrove. No mistake, stand by on that. Runway 05 right. 5673 window slot. In Belfast Aldergrove, the passenger London Gatwick, squawk 5673, Foxtrot back.
Much ground, morning, Virgin 76 X-ray, holding Delta 2.
Virgin 76 X-ray, ground, good morning, and taxi forward, holding point, surge pressure, hold at 630. 18630, 68 November Romeo.
3878 Papa, taxi Kilo Juliet, Juliet 1. Kilo Juliet, Juliet 1, Virgin 878 Papa.
455, Silver Cloud 278, goodbye. 70, leave madly heading at 095. 70, leave head.
We are fully ready. Any sense for ready message?
Portugal 1319, ready message has been sent.
One, stop here, stand 18, 21 correction. Making the latest information and expected ILS approach runway 23 right. Just continue with the standard arrival. Shoot 4 times 6. Or request back. Cathay 216, hold position, follow me on ground 121.855, see what the taxi is. Hold position 121.85, that is. Charlie, turn right heading 130 degrees. It's going to be about 22 miles. I didn't 130 degrees. Next one.
C635 Golf, hold position, they call me 121.855.
120.5, Jersey, C635.
Touchdown, descent altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1011. C635 Golf, round push, start approved, stand 50.
Push and start approved, Jersey.